Today we see introduction of exercise 1.6 practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. This one is basic formula for number of A union B is equals to what? Number of A set plus number of B set and subtract what? Number of A intersect B set. This one is basic formula. You have to write 5 times and remember it. If these joints are overlapping, these sets are overlapping, then you have to use this formula. Overlapping means any one, any two, or any elements of two sets are common, then you have to use this formula. And if two sets are disjoint set, means no common members in A and B set, then you have to use this formula. Number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B. Number of A intersection B is what? 0 in this one, because no common members, because these two sets are what? Disjoint set. So these two are basic formula. And if three sets are that, then you have to remember this formula. Number of A union B union C is equals to number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersect B, number of B intersect C minus number of C intersects A plus number of A intersect B intersect C. For three sets, you have to remember this formula. Now solution of exercise 1.6. What we do in exercise 1.6? If x and y are two sets such that number of x is equals to 17, y is equals to 13, number of x union y is equals to 38, find number of x intersect y. Means I use this formula. Number of x union y is equals to what? Number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersect y. Put the value. X union y 38, numbers of x means elements in x. How many elements in x? 17. How many elements in y? 23. You have to find number of x intersect y. Simplify it. 38, 17 plus 23, so 40. Number of x intersect y minus number of x intersect y, transfer to left hand side, so plus number of x intersect y plus 38, transfer to right hand side, minus 38. 40 minus 38, 2. It means what? Two elements of x and y are common. Same question number 2. Almost same sums are there. Using this formula, you have to solve it. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, it means number of x union y is equals to 18. X has 8 elements. Number of x is equals to what? 8. Y has 15 elements. Number of y is equals to what? 15. How elements does x intersect y have? We have to find number of x intersect y. Same as per question number 1. Using this formula, number of x union y is equals to number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersect y. X union y, put the value. 18. Number of x 8. Number of y 15. Number of x intersect y. 18, 15 plus 8, 23. Number of x intersect y minus x intersect y, transfer to left hand side, plus number of x intersect y, 23, plus 18 right hand side, minus 18. Number of x intersect y is equals to what? 5. Question number 3. In a group of 400 people, it's total people 400, 250 can speak Hindi. It means number of Hindi language speaker is equals to what? 250. 200 can speak English. Means number of elements, number of people who can speak English is equals to what? 200. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Means number of people who speak both languages, Hindi as well as English. Means Hindi intersect English. You have to find it. This 400 people, it means total. It means what? Number of people who speak only English or who speak only Hindi. Total people 400. It means number of Hindi union English 400. Simple, put the value. Number of Hindi union English, number of people who can speak Hindi plus number of people who can speak English minus number of people who can speak both. It means Hindi intersect English. You have to find this one. Put the value. This one 400. Number of people who can speak Hindi 250. English 200. Hindi check English 400. This one is 450. Sum of this one. Hindi intersect English. Transfer to left hand side. This one right hand side. Number of people who can speak both language is equals to 450 minus 400. Means 50 people. Means in 400 people group, 50 people are common who can speak Hindi as well as English. Fourth one. If S and T are two sets such that S has element 21, the number of S element 21, T 32, S intersect T 11. How many elements does S union T have? Number of S union T you have to find. Number of S union T, number of S plus number of T minus number of S intersect T. S union T you have to find. Means total members, total elements you have to find. Number of S 21, number of T 32 minus intersect 11. The number of S union T 2 plus 1 353 minus 11. The number of S union T is equals to what? 42. It's total 42 elements are there in S and T. Now question number 5. If X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements. X has 40. X union Y 60 elements are there. And X intersect Y 10 elements are. How many elements does Y have? You have to find number of Y elements. Simple, using this formula. X union Y, number of X plus number of Y minus number of X intersect Y. X union Y 60 elements, number of X 40, number of Y you have to find it, and X intersect Y 10. 40 minus 10 30. 30 transfer to left hand side, minus 30. The number of Y elements is equals to what? 30. Now question number 6. In a group of 70 people, means total 70. 37 like coffee. Number of people who like only coffee 37. 52 like tea. Number of people who like only tea is equals to 52. Total is what? 70. The number of people who like coffee and tea 70. And each person like at least one of the two drink. It means in 70 people, each person like each of the two drink. Means दोनों में से कोई भी एक ड्रिंक कंपलसरी लाइक करता है. How many people like both tea and coffee? Both tea and coffee means you have to find number of coffee intersect tea. Both. Simple. Number of coffee union tea. Number of coffee plus number of tea minus number of coffee intersect tea. Number of people who like coffee and tea means total number of people 70. मीन्स दोनों में से कोई भी एक जो लाइक करता है. वैसे कितने? 70. नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक ओनली कॉफ़ी. नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक ओनली कॉफ़ी 37. ओनली टी 52. यू हैव टू फाइंड नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक बोथ कॉफ़ी एंड टी 70. 37 plus 52 89 minus transfer to left hand side plus coffee intersect tea 89 minus 70. The number of people who like both coffee and tea is equals to what? 89 minus 70 19. Now question number 7. In a group of 65 total people, how many? 65. 40 people like cricket. Means number of people who like cricket 40. 10 like both cricket and tennis. Means number of both means intersect. Cricket intersect tennis 10. Now, how many people like tennis only and not cricket? Only and only tennis. You have to find it. 65 means total cricket union tennis is given 65. You have to find first how many people like tennis only and how many people like tennis. Means what? 10 like both cricket and tennis. Means these 10 people like tennis also, and we find only people who like tennis. We have to add this both one. Means number of people who like cricket union tennis is equals to number of people who like cricket who like tennis minus cricket intersect tennis. So, cricket union tennis total 65, cricket 40. You have to find number of people who like tennis only tennis, and both 10. 65. 40 minus 10 30. Number of people who like tennis, so 65 minus 30. 65 minus 30. Number of people who like tennis is equals to what? 35. Means number of people like tennis, it means what? Means these people like only tennis and cricket and tennis also. Means in both these people like, means जो people only tennis को भी like कर रहे हैं एंड क्रिकेट एंड टेनिस दोनों को भी लाइक कर रहे हैं. वैसे कितने मिले हमें? 35. मीन्स फर्स्ट आंसर हमें नहीं मिला. अभी हमें कौन सा मिला? हाउ मैनी पीपल लाइक टेनिस ओनली. लाइक टेनिस ओनली टेनिस नहीं, लाइक टेनिस वाला आंसर मिला. मीन्स इसमें क्रिकेट वाले भी है जो टेनिस को लाइक कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स हम क्या करेंगे, अगर हमें ओनली एंड ओनली टेनिस फाइंड करना है ओनली टेनिस फाइंड करना है, तो हम जो हमें ये आंसर मिला 35 में से कॉमन वाले निकाल देंगे। तो नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु लाइक ओनली टेनिस इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 35 माइनस 10, 25। मीन्स these people some people are there who like tennis as well as cricket, and some people are there who like only tennis. But in this one only and only people are there who like only tennis. जो कॉमन थे वो हमने निकाल दिए, ये दोनों आंसर हमें मिल गए। हाउ मैनी पीपल लाइक टेनिस, तो 35 पीपल, एंड हाउ मैनी पीपल लाइक ओनली एंड ओनली टेनिस नॉट लाइक क्रिकेट, 25। मीन्स हमारा फर्स्ट आंसर 25, सेकेंड आंसर 35। Now question number 8. In a committee 50 people speak French. Number of people who speak French. 20 people speak Spanish. 20 and 10 speak both French intersect Spanish, 10. And French, both Spanish and French, how many speak at least one of these two language? Means you have to find French union Spanish. Simple. French union Spanish. Number of people who speak French only. Who speak French? Number of people who speak Spanish minus number of people who can speak both language, French and Spanish. So F union as F50 as 20 minus 10. 50 plus 20, 70 minus 10 means at least one. Number of people who speak at least one language is equals to 1. What? 60.